Hi, welcome to Cam Look, your daily dose of the Cincinnati Art Museum. Each weekday, a member of staff or a volunteer will share a different work of art from the museum's permanent collection and pose some questions for discussion. Check back each weekday at 10 a.m. for a new post and a new discussion. My name is Otte Callon, and I'm the coordinator for the Rosenthal Education Center. Today, the artwork that I would like to present to you is actually a new installation in the Rosenthal Education Center called Everything is Everything, New Works by Terence Hammonds. Terence is a Cincinnati printmaker and ceramicist and is a former artist in residence for Rookwood Pottery and the Contemporary Art Center. He is also involved with Wave Pool Gallery's Welcome Project. The piece Everything is Everything is a celebration of Terence's personal heroes. The work features screen-printed, repurposed wooden crate pieces that form a three-dimensional collage across the wall of the Rosenthal Education Center. Some of the inspirational figures that grace the installation include James Baldwin, Marsha P. Johnson, Maceo Parker, Otte Callon, Nikki Giovanni, and Cincinnati's own Kathy Y. Wilson. You may notice that some of these folks sport colorful patterned sunglasses. These sunglasses are actually images of bois masks, sacred masks representing different animals created by the bois people of Mali and Burkina Faso. Such masks are commissioned and owned by clans for bringing blessings to the village during funerals and the planting and harvesting of crops. By including them in this work, Hammonds is expressing his respect for his personal heroes. The piece also features whimsical natural elements like butterflies and dragonflies, as well as deer and kittens. These additions are a nod to Hammond's two young children and the many nature walks they went on this summer during the pandemic. Finally, Terence was also inspired by these pieces in the Art Museum's permanent collection. We aren't sure exactly who is featured in these lovingly carved and painted portrait plaques, but we believe that they could be representing Mr. Jesse D. Locker and Mrs. Anna Locker, a prominent African-American couple who lived in Cincinnati in the mid-20th century. Among their many accomplishments, Mr. Locker was the American ambassador to Liberia and the president of the Cincinnati City Council, and Mrs. Locker was a gifted horticulturist and at one point in time the only Black woman to own a plant nursery in the United States. This piece will be on view in the Rosenthal Education Center until the end of April. I'd love for you to come in and see it in person, as well as take part in an I Spy game with the artwork and receive a to-go bag of art supplies to create portraits of your own personal heroes at home, as well as a few other projects inspired by Terence's artwork. Check out the Rosenthal Education Center's page on the museum's website for more info about the rec. Finally, I'd love to hear from you. Who are some of your own personal heroes? What do you do to celebrate them? Please comment below. Thanks again for joining me for Cam Look. See you next time.